Have you ever wondered how real-world data interacts with the blockchain technology? Let's dive into this fascinating world. To understand this, we first need to talk about oracles. No, not the ancient Greek ones, but data-sharing technology that's integral to running decentralized applications, or dApps. Oracles are the bridge that brings real-world data over to the blockchain. One such oracle is the XYO Network. But it's not just any oracle, it's a reality oracle. As intriguing as it sounds, a reality oracle is a network of XY oracles that gather and verify geospatial data. This term might sound technical, but it simply refers to digital information that's connected to a specific spot on our planet. Think of Google Maps, that's a prime example of geospatial data in action. Now, you might be asking, why is this important? Well, as we move more and more into a digital world, geospatial data becomes crucial. It helps us understand and interact with the world around us in a more precise and informed way. The XYO network takes this a step further. It's designed for a future where the Internet of Things is powered by blockchain. This is possible because the XYO network can execute smart contracts through geolocation confirmations. In simpler terms, it enables contracts that run dApps to access the real world, using the network's ecosystem of devices. These devices work collectively to determine if an object is at a specific XY coordinate. If it is, you can set up applications which execute transactions in the smart contract. The native asset of the XYO network is XYO, an Ethereum-based ERC20 utility token. It's used as a means of rewarding contributors to the ecosystem. The XYO tokens are the gas needed to interact with the real-world data and verify the XY coordinate of a specified object. So the XYO network acts as a bridge between the physical world and the blockchain, making it possible for smart contracts to access real-world data. But how did this all start? The XYO network wasn't always what it is today. Its journey began a decade ago. Picture, if you will, the early days of the 21st century. Smartphones were becoming commonplace, and with them came the ubiquity of Bluetooth and GPS technologies. It was in this landscape that the seeds of the XYO network were planted. Initially, the network was designed as a global system, harnessing the power of these technologies to connect customers across the globe. But as the times changed, so did the ambitions of the network. As the blockchain revolution began to take shape, the creators of the XYO network saw a new opportunity. They recognized the potential of this technology to transform not just digital transactions, but the way we interact with the physical world. So they pivoted. Rather than being just a global customer network, they decided to build an Oracle protocol for blockchain-based transactions. But what does that mean, you might ask? Well, an Oracle in the blockchain context is a bridge between the digital realm of blockchain and the tangible physical world. It verifies real-world data and brings it into the blockchain, allowing for the execution of smart contracts based on real-world conditions. The XYO network, therefore, became a network of these oracles, gathering and verifying geospatial data. This is digital information that carries with it an association with a specific spot on the planet. It's like Google Maps, but with an added layer of blockchain security and complexity. The network's ecosystem of devices collectively determines if an object is at a specific XY coordinate. This capability allows for the execution of smart contracts through geolocation confirmations. It's a way of accessing the real world using the network, without the need for centralized third parties. In the span of a decade, the XYO network transformed from a simple global customer network into a sophisticated Oracle protocol for the blockchain era. And that's how the XYO network was born, setting the stage for a future where the physical world and blockchain technology would intersect. Now that we know how it all started, let's delve into what the XYO network does. Imagine a world where every digital interaction is rooted in the physical world. That's the universe that the XYO network operates in. At its core, it's a network of oracles called XY oracles that gather and verify geospatial data. This data carries with it an association with a specific spot on our planet. Think of Google Maps and you'll get the picture. But here's where it gets really interesting. The XYO network is not just about collecting and verifying geospatial data. It's about using that data to execute smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They're a cornerstone of decentralized applications, or dApps, and they need real-world data to function. Enter the XYO Network, which uses its extensive ecosystem of devices to provide this crucial real-world data. These devices work together to determine if an object is at a specific XY coordinate. If an object is indeed at the specified coordinate, the network can confirm this fact, allowing the smart contract to execute. Imagine a package delivery service that uses smart contracts to automate its processes. The package's location is continuously tracked by the XYO network, and when it reaches its destination, the smart contract executes, confirming delivery and triggering payment. All of this happens automatically, with no need for human intervention. This is just one example of the many ways the XYO network can be used. The possibilities are as wide and varied as the real world itself. From supply chain management to environmental monitoring, the potential applications of this technology are vast. The XYO network has transformed the way smart contracts interact with the real world. But what fuels this interaction? You may ask. And that's where the XYO token comes into play, the network's native asset. But we'll cover that in the next scene. Stay tuned. At the heart of the XYO network is its native asset, the XYO token. Now, this isn't just any token. It's an Ethereum-based ERC20 utility token, and it plays a vital role in the XYO ecosystem. You see, the XYO token is like the fuel that drives the engine, the spark that lights the fire, the wind that fills the sails. It's the gas, if you will, that's needed to interact with real-world data and verify the XY coordinate of a specified object. This is the magic that brings the digital and physical worlds together, enabling smart contracts to access real-world data. But the XYO token doesn't just facilitate interactions. It's also a means of rewarding contributors to the ecosystem. Like a gold star in elementary school or a pat on the back from your boss, the XYO token serves as recognition for the work done. It's a way of saying thank you to all those who contribute their time, effort, and resources to the network. Whether it's a device that's part of the network, gathering and verifying geospatial data, or a developer building innovative applications, they all get rewarded with XYO tokens. It's an elegant system that not only incentivizes participation but also drives growth and fosters a sense of community. Now you might be thinking, what's the big deal? Why is this token so important? Well, imagine trying to run your car without any gas or trying to light a fire without any fuel. It just wouldn't work, would it? In the same way, the XYO token is essential for the functioning of the XYO network. It's the lifeblood that keeps the network running smoothly, ensuring that data from the physical world can be accurately and reliably transferred to the blockchain. So there you have it, the XYO token, a simple yet powerful tool that rewards contributors, powers interactions, and bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds. It's more than just a token. It's a symbol of the incredible potential of the XYO network. The XYO token is therefore the lifeblood, powering the interaction between the blockchain and the physical world. So, where does the XYO network stand today, and where is it headed? As we delve into the current landscape and future prospects of the XYO network, we're stepping into a world where geospatial data meets blockchain technology. Currently, the XYO network is a force to be reckoned with, deploying its protocol across nearly 1 million devices globally. This vast network of devices is working in unison to verify and provide real-world geospatial data, effectively bridging the gap between the real world and the digital. The network's reach and impact are no small feat, considering its humble beginnings a decade ago as a global customer Bluetooth and GPS network. But what about the future? Well, the XYO network isn't just resting on its laurels. Instead, it's gearing up for a future where everything is data-driven. In this future, the XYO network sees itself at the forefront, engineering technology that seamlessly integrates the physical world with secure blockchain data. Imagine a world where your smart home could independently verify that you're home and automatically adjust the heating, lighting, and even play your favorite music, all based on your geospatial data. Or a logistics company that could track and verify the exact location of every single item in their supply chain, ensuring complete transparency and efficiency. This is the kind of future the XYO network is working towards, a future where blockchain technology and real-world data coexist to create a seamless, efficient, and secure environment. However, the road to this future isn't without its challenges. The XYO network will need to continue to evolve, adapt, and innovate to overcome hurdles and stay ahead of the curve. it will need to continue to grow its network of devices, improve its protocol, and find new and creative ways to integrate real-world data with blockchain technology. But if there's one thing we've learned about the XYO network, it's that it's not afraid of a challenge. It's a network that's already making significant strides in bringing blockchain technology into our everyday lives, and it's not planning on slowing down anytime soon. The XYO network is indeed building a bridge between secure blockchain data and the physical world, paving the way for a future where everything is data-driven